What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. Here we go again in a new video. Today we are going to do very fun bob on dry cut. It's called twisted bob. This technique you're gonna learn today gonna save you on very busy day, and you will love it guys. So what we're doing here, just we separate the front part from the back part, from the occipital bone back. We separate from the occipital bone forward. That's it, very simple section. And if you cut with the right hand, you're gonna start with the right hand. If you start with the left hand, you cut with the left hand, you're gonna start with the left hand. So here we go. As you see, I just combed and I start with my right hand. I twisted. After I twisted, I put my left hand to take control, and then just I do this whole twist. So if you see from the right side how over directed to the left, and the left side how over directed to the right, and the center part going nowhere. So this twist is really not that hard guys, and I start cut, and I'm using shear 6.5 inches blade for dry cut. Very important to use the right shear because it's gonna help a lot. So as you see here, look how easy is this. And I create this curve angle. It's short from the center, and the more you go out is longer and longer, and just in one twist. What I'm doing right now, all I'm doing is I'm refining the line, just make sure the line looks perfect, and this is all going to take maybe 4 or 5 minutes, not more than that. So instead I take every section, every like 1 inch section, and I do it small sections. It's gonna take, I don't know how long, but it's gonna take absolutely longer than that. But now with this twisting technique, here we go, in few minutes and you are done at least 60% of the haircut. So after I finish this, I'm gonna connect the side to the back part, and my guideline is very clear. I just take my guideline from the previous section I cut, and I angle it a little bit, slightly angle, not very dramatic angle, because I'm not looking for this look. So I take my small sections on the side, 1 inch section, and just I connect it to the back part. And here we go guys, I move to the other side, to the right side. I do the same, and you done. I tell you, this technique absolutely gonna save you on very busy schedule day. If you know how to do it, it will be great. If you don't, just practice it a little bit. I think the hardest part in this haircut is the back part. When you do the twist, just practice a little bit on mannequin, do it a few times, and I'm sure you will get the great result you are looking for. So after I finish, now here we go. I put some mousse, and I'm doing the blowout for the hair, you know, very gentle, light blowout, because I already did the flat iron before I started the twisting technique. It's very important. You have to do flat iron, make sure the hair is clean and there is no any things in the hair, and then you do the twisting technique. Here I'm just doing very light flat iron again, okay, just to do the styling part. After that, low heat, and I did heat protection too for sure, so I don't damage the hair. I tell you, this guys, this technique absolutely beautiful. I really love it. Here I'm doing the styling part, and that's it. The haircuts, the entire haircut is not gonna take even half an hour with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're liking my videos, and see you next week in a new video, new idea, and ciao for now.